Hello everyone. So today we will discuss NoSQL, and NoSQL stand here for Not Only SQL. So the first thing is why this database is interesting and why we are working with this. Okay. So first thing is this application development productivity means it allows you to code less for writing. Okay. So that's why, and it provides you a better file system for the variety of the data. As you know that we are in big data, we are working with structured data, semi-structured data and unstructured data. So NoSQL provides you a better file system, or you can say, to store this kind of data. Large scale data means you can quickly add your data at any point of time. Okay. Is this cheaper as compared to the relational database model and the database. Okay. Means you can, large scale means that you can add the data at any point of time, as we are getting the data in the form of stream in big data. Clear both of the reason. Now next is this is the categorization according to the data models. There are some data models, and according to these are the variety of databases that is available. You can see here for key values there are some databases like LabelDB and so on. Documents के लिए like CouchDB and MongoDB. Next thing is the emergence of the NoSQL. It has been developed by the engineer Carlo Strozzi, and the tables are stored in a Haskell file format. Okay. It has been manipulated through shell script. Now there are some benefits why we are using this. So first is that scale, so that we can add the data at any point of time. Simple data model. Okay. The data model as simple as compared to the relational data model. Okay. Simple means, and we are not in NoSQL we are not too much rigid about the schema also. Okay. Streaming or volume means NoSQL is capable to handle the stream of data. Means stream you can say we are having the torrent of the data that we are receiving for a particular flow. Reliability, it is reliable that the result producing by this particular database is correct. Next is schema less. As I already told you, means relational database में क्या होता है हमारा, that this is schema. First schema has been designed. If we are trying to add some new data, first we need to change in schema, then we will insert the data values. But here is there is no rigidness about the schema, so that we can easily add that. Next is rapid development. As we are saying, we need in NoSQL we don't need to write code that much. Means इतना ज़्यादा coding की हमें requirement नहीं होती है. So development is quite easy. ठीक है. Flexible as it can handle semi-structure, unstructured and structured data. I already told you it is flexible about all type of data. As you can say, in relational database model we can work only with the structured data. Clear? Cheaper than the relational database, as we don't need so much of engineer to handle this. We don't need a you can say we don't need that much a skilled person to handle all these things. Okay. Wide data type variety, this is already explained. Means as in big data we are working with all type of data, so NoSQL is also work with the all type of data. Bulk upload, we can upload in bulk. Okay. This is not possible in relational database. Distributed storage, as we know that in big data or Hadoop we store the data in the form of clusters, and data is available on the data nodes. Okay. So it support the distributed storage. Real time analysis, NoSQL provide you the real time analysis. Use large binary object to store the large data. The binary object, or you can say बाइनरी ऑब्जेक्ट हम यूज़ करते हैं, जिसमें बाइनरी फॉर्म में हमारा जो मल्टीमीडिया डेटा होता है उसको स्टोर करने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है बाइनरी ऑब्जेक्ट. और सम टाइम वी नो दिस एज अ ब्लॉब. ठीक है. ब्लॉब ऑब्जेक्ट का यूज़ करते हैं टू स्टोर द, जिसमें हम अपनी इमेजेस को एंड वीडियोस को भी बाइनरी फॉर्मेट में स्टोर करा सकते हैं. सो इट हैज़ बीन सपोर्टेड बाय द NoSQL ऑल्सो. Now next is what are the challenges here. So ACID ट्रांजेक्शन, एज वी नो दैट जो हमारा DBMS है एंड हमारा रिलेशनल डेटाबेस है, दैट फॉलोज ACID ट्रांजेक्शन. व्हाट आर द ACID ट्रांजेक्शन हियर? एटोमिसिटी, कंसिस्टेंसी, इंटीग्रिटी एंड ड्यूरेबिलिटी. इट फॉलोज दैट this is if we are talking about NoSQL, it is hard to maintain here all these four properties. Cannot use SQL. As you know, in a relational database model, to query this database we use SQL, but in NoSQL we will not use SQL. ठीक है. So here cannot perform searches. We can't perform searches here. Data loss, there is a possibility of data loss also. No represented integrity here. Lack of availability of expertise, as we are saying, just like in the benefits we also say it is cheaper than this, and there is a lack of expertise, means there is no skilled workers. As next is common characteristics of NoSQL. ठीक है. Not using the relational model, as we have already discussed this, that we are not using the relational model here. ठीक है. Running will on cluster. ठीक है, means it will run on cluster, open source and built for the 21st century web. ठीक है. This is all about the NoSQL. I think this is clear for you all.